Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the 3/8 drive Icon. Torque wrench goes from 20 to 100 foot-pounds. That's here in the foreground. In comparison, I just wanted to show you the 3/8 inch drive model for the size. Both very nice. Comes with the same case with the see-through lid. It's alright. This is a beautiful tool. Great finish and everything. The knurling, beautiful. But we're going to take a look at this one today. It's rated 4% over, 6% under. Comes with an owner manual. Definitely read it. Can't hurt, right? A certificate of calibration. Peter inspected this one. It lists for $129.99. With coupons and whatnot, I picked it up for $91 with tax included. The model number is TW38-100. Again, 3/8 drive, 20 to 100 foot-pound. Now, when I first got it and took it out of the box, I tested it cold. I tested it at 40, 60, and 80. At 60 foot-pounds, it came in over 0.69%, and at 80 pounds, over 1.67%, which is okay, it's within spec. But at 40, while it was cold and I tested it, it was over, no, actually under 6.7%. So that's not that hot. So the next day, I exercised it and did the test again. At 60, I came in at 0.8% difference, and that's under. At 80, I came in plus 0.28%. Again, that's great. And at 40, where I had the problem, I had to adjust it to 40.05. That made me come in at 0.37 negative, which is great. All right, now we're going to take a look at it and test it out. Bear with me 1 second, please. All right, let's try it. I got it set at 60. $60.1, $60.2, $60 right on. I hope you could see that. I like it. Like I said, I'm thinking about getting the 1/2 inch model just to complete the set. But I'm very impressed with it. The fit and finish is fantastic. And like I said, if you can get this for under $100, I think you got a deal. That's about it. Thank you very much.